Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your girl Bernice and I'm back with you again with another video. Okay, so I know you haven't seen me in a while. I know I haven't been consistent as I said I was going to be, but yes, today I'm back with you with another hair video. Okay, so I came across this lovely company called WOWIGS, and trust me, I'm impressed. Okay, I am impressed and you're going to be impressed. This is what you need. This hair is absolutely beautiful and it looks so natural. Okay, so if you have afro hair, if you have any type of hair, really, you can have any type of hair and still rock this wig. Okay, so this is a hairband wig. This is the first one in my way and I'm absolutely loving it. I can't wait to try it on so that you can see, but I'm gonna unbox it with you and I'm also going to try it on with you. I know you're going to love it, just like I'm so excited. So this is it. This is how it came in DHL and it's a lovely packaging. I'm telling you, this packaging is lovely, isn't it? WOWIGS. Okay, this is the name of the company, and if you're looking for their online store, I will list it down below in the comment section. I will list everything down below in the comment section, the link to their main page and the link to also purchase this same hair. Okay, it's quite affordable. Okay, so if you want something quick nowadays, mate, I can't be gluing my hair, so I need a headband wig. Okay, and that's what I did. So they came in to assist your sister. So here is their online store. Here's their online store. I'm gonna list it down here as well as in the description box, so it's easy for you, baby girl. But isn't it lovely? Lovely colors, lovely packaging. Okay, so let's open and see what is in there. So your hair is definitely secured in here. It's definitely secured. So yeah, this is what you get. Look at that. Jesus Christ, so nice, isn't it? So it comes with this. I believe the hair is in here. You've got 2 headbands as well. I love this green one. Look at that. I'm definitely gonna try it on with the wig so you can see this as well. And also you've got this to secure your wig underneath in case it's too big or it's too small, you see. And it has a little lace here. How cool is that? So it's invisible. Other than that, this is their leaflet in there with this lovely lady, and this is what it is. Okay, this tells you, I mean, the type of hair they do and all other sorts of things. And of course they've got a U-part wig, so many type of wig. They have bundles as well. They do have bundles as well, so don't worry, just look for it on their page and you will see it. Really affordable. It also comes with a little brush. So that is it. So other than the leaflet in the box, you have the brush, you have 2 headbands to secure your wig underneath, headband, and the hair itself. So let's open the hair itself and see what is in there. So this one here is a virgin human hair. Okay, so this is quality good hair. Okay, don't spend your money on rubbish hair, because then you're going to definitely regret it, because it won't last long. It won't worth your money. So if you want to buy hair, buy quality good hair. Okay, so this is it. I think this is 18 inches body wave headband wig. Look at that, beautiful. So you can adjust it however you want it. If you want it tight, loose, it comes with a comb inside. How many combs? So quite few combs. So you've got 3 in the front. You've got 3 combs in the front. So 1, 2, and 3, and then 1 in the back. Okay, let me take this off. And as I mentioned, this is virgin human hair. So you're spending your money wisely, and also on something that will last you probably for the rest of your life or quite a while. Okay, if you look after it, it will last you long. Okay, look at the curls. Wow, the feel of the wig, the hair is amazing. Jesus Christ, it's so nice and soft. Okay, so I'm gonna try on for you, baby. I am, don't worry, bear with me. Let me comb it a little bit. Look at that. I love how it looks. Love the curls. I absolutely love the curls. And of course, once you comb it out, if you want it to define more, then you just spray some water in there. But I think I will love it like this. I would love it to rock it like this. But yeah, so let me take up this headband and go in there. As you saw, I have combed it out. So this hair is 180 density. I have already slicked my edges, so actually ready to go. Fits my hair perfectly, absolutely. Look at that. Do you like it? Can you even tell? So of course I can use my own headband if I want to. See, I can still use my own, the one I had on earlier. Ooh, see, isn't this lovely? So this is it on. Now let's try the headband from the company, which I love. I love the green one as well as the burgundy. Let's see how they look. I've got my mirror there, that's why I'm looking over there, so pardon. Like, come on. Look at the headband from the company, is lovely. This color is really lovely. So yeah, every piece, every wig, I believe, of the headband wigs will come with some headbands as well, so you don't look elsewhere for any headband. Okay, they'll hook you up already. So this is it. I really love it. I'm actually feeling myself. Put it on, you go. No time wasted, no time wasted. Every lady needs this. Okay, so this is the other color of headband. It's really nice, and the quality of the material is actually really good as well. I really like it. This one is quite heavier, the other one is silkier. So as I mentioned earlier, this hair is 180 density and it's virgin human hair. Okay, and you can feel it. No shedding, absolutely no shedding. Like, I've been going through with my hand, but no shedding at all, no shedding. So normally I would like it like this, or if I want it more defined, I'll just spray some water. Okay, bottle of water with you, and then you just spray it inside, and then you're done. You're absolutely done and ready to go. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. So yes, this is it for you guys. This is a wig from WOWIGS, and yeah, they have an online shop. I think they're also on AliExpress, and also yeah, I'm gonna leave everything. And on Instagram, they are also on Instagram. So if you're an Instagram person, you're always on Instagram, then you can also find them there. I'm gonna put a picture there and tag them so that you can have them directly on there and contact them for your own. I also have a discount code. I have a discount code for you there. I have a discount code for you. Okay, so thank me later, it's okay. My code is Bennis and you get 10% off. Okay, it's worth every penny. Okay, so purchase your own. Let's rock this together this summer, because this is the perfect wig for summer. Okay, so if you don't want to stay there and glue your hair, let's go for this. Okay, let's rock this summer. This wig, this particular wig here, is called Cassie. So as I mentioned, when I put the link there, you have a direct link. Okay, but if you follow the link to their page, then you have to look for the Cassie wig, and it will give you this. This is 18 inches and it's quite long. I like it. Listen, it's perfect for what I was looking for summer. Okay, so I'm ready for my summer. You to get ready as well. But yeah, this is it. I'm really feeling it. Definitely feeling it. So yes, I'm gonna end it here. If today is the first time, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Okay, let's grow, let's be a family, let's be friends. Okay, yeah, in the meantime, I will see you again in my next video, which will be soon. Take care of yourself. Don't forget I love you. Okay, bye.